Do you feel trapped in your style? Like a robot, churning out the same work again and again, with no room to experiment? And the thought of trying something new feels overwhelming or intimidating? Well, same. Hi, I'm Chrissy, and I'm a freelance illustrator and tea addict from Ireland. I love to make bold and colourful work for clients in lots of areas, like science, lifestyle, and advertising, and I particularly love to draw food. I also have an Etsy shop where I sell cute handmade things, prints, and zines. That's me back in 2018. I was in a serious funk, and trying to push through it just wasn't working. I needed something that could get me out of my comfort zone, give me permission to experiment and make mistakes, but not be pressured by the everyday grind of social media. But the intensity and pressure of the usual daily drawing challenges just wasn't for me, so I created my own. I called it an almost daily challenge, and that's what this whole class is based on. I've made hundreds of drawings for my challenge so far. Giving myself that space to experiment taught me how to practice again. And this not only restored my confidence, but improved my art. This class will focus on 5 main areas that have helped me during my challenge, but are also core building blocks of illustration: line, contrast, rest, colour, and my favourite, experimentation, which we'll save for last. We'll focus on one of these areas per day, with practice exercises and fun mini exercises to get back in touch with the fundamentals and jog your creativity. Then we'll move on to making our final drawing for each day, and at the end of the week, we'll have completed our challenge. The goal of this class is to give you the tools to break out of your usual approach and focus on the joy of creating. You will need Procreate or something similar for some of the lessons, and you can use whatever mediums you like for the rest of the lessons. I also made a handy guidebook that you can keep all of your notes in as a memento of completing this challenge, that you can always check back in with whenever you need ideas for other projects going forward. So if you're feeling trapped, burnt out, or just over art, this class can help give you the nudge you need to start having fun, break out of that cage, and breathe new life into your work. So make yourself a cup of tea, grab a pencil and paper, and let's get started.